Folding iPhone. Secret is a video whose title shocks the tech industry. All are welcome. We're going to set out on an exciting excursion inside Apple's most closely held secret today. This is more than just a smartphone. It's a paradigm-shifting revolution that fits in your pocket. You're in for a treat if you've ever wondered what the future of technology holds, or if you've yearned for innovation that goes above the norm. You'll be as intrigued at the conclusion of this video as we are by the revelations we make about Apple's folding iPhone. Let's start now. The evolution of Apple, a legacy of innovation. Apple's extraordinary journey is evidence of its persistent dedication to innovation. Apple has continuously revolutionized the technology sector, from the groundbreaking Macintosh to the revolutionary iPhone. The corporation has permanently altered consumer electronics design and user experience via its unrelenting pursuit of excellence. Each new product release, whether it be the iPod, iPad, or MacBook, has catapulted Apple into uncharted creative territory, elevating the company to the top of its field and serving as an example to numerous others in the technology and design industries. The rise of foldable phones. A new era begins. The emergence of foldable phones heralds the start of a new phase in technology. Customers may anticipate significant improvements in device form and functionality as big competitors like Samsung, Huawei, and now Apple enter the foldable smartphone industry. The way we use and interact with our mobile devices will change as a result of these cutting-edge phones, which offer flexibility, expanded screen real estate, and a wide range of new possibilities. The future of cell phones has taken a stunning foldable turn as the rivalry intensifies. The secrets behind Apple's folding iPhone. There is intrigue about the secrets of Apple's folding iPhone. Although Apple is known for its secrecy, experts speculate that the device will likely have a clever mix of flexible OLED panels and strong yet lightweight materials. This inventive device's engineering feat is still a closely kept secret. Fans are anxious to see the cutting-edge technology and design ideas that will impact the future of mobile devices as the tech giant attempts to revolutionize the smartphone market. Revolutionary display technology, the flexible future. In our investigation of Apple's folding iPhone, its display technology stands out as one of the most impressive features. The device will be able to fluidly adapt to different user needs thanks to the flexible OLED screen, which promises to be a game-changer. The immersive and long-lasting display experience provided by this innovative technology paves the way for a new era in smartphone design where creativity truly has no limitations. Performance that leaves others in the dust. In the smartphone market, the folding iPhone is expected to redefine performance standards, leaving rivals in the dust. It claims blazing fast processing capability with a cutting-edge processor designed for speed and efficiency. This gadget guarantees a fluid and lag-free experience whether you're multitasking, playing a game, or using resource-intensive applications. The folding iPhone is an alluring option for tech enthusiasts and power users alike because of Apple's dedication to pushing performance boundaries and setting new standards. iOS Adaptation. Seamlessly folding into your life. Your regular activities are smoothly included in the iOS adaptation for the folding iPhone, creating a positive user experience. Its user-friendly interface gracefully adapts to the distinctive form factor, making use of the device effortless and natural. Apple's adaptation of iOS for the folding tablet improves productivity and ease, making it an essential part of your tech-savvy lifestyle whether you're multitasking, navigating, or using an app. Camera technology, capturing the unfolded beauty. The appeal of the folding iPhone is fundamentally based on camera technology, capturing the unfolded beauty. Every moment will become a work of art thanks to Apple's cutting-edge camera technology, which promises to capture the world with unprecedented clarity. We'll examine the nuances of this innovative camera system in this episode, as well as its potential and how it's poised to revolutionize mobile photography and videography. Don't miss this look at how visual storytelling will develop in the future. Battery life. Unfolding a day's worth of power. The battery life of the folding iPhone is an essential feature that fans are eagerly awaiting. The task is enormous. How will Apple make sure that this groundbreaking gadget has enough power to last an entire day? Apple promises to keep you connected and productive without the continual concern of running out of charge with cutting-edge battery technology and optimizations. In this section, we'll examine the power management techniques and technological advancements that promise to make the folding iPhone a viable travel companion. Release date and pricing. When can you get your hands on it? When will the folding iPhone be available, and how much will it cost? Although Apple has kept the precise release date a secret, rumors indicate it will be available within the coming year. Pricing for this groundbreaking technology is still an intriguing topic because it will likely depend on a number of factors, including market rivalry and manufacturing costs. As we wait for the formal announcement, keep checking back for developments. The amazing trip through Apple's top-secret technology, the folding iPhone, is now complete. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tech insights, and share it with your friends if you like it as much as we did. As we continue to reveal the newest technological advancements, your support keeps us going. Keep checking back for more exciting upgrades, and in the meantime, keep an eye out for what's coming next in cell phones. We appreciate you coming along, and we'll see you on the next trip.